Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to know if someone has blocked you on Facebook. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. When the app opens you have to go to your profile by tapping on the profile picture on the left hand side. There is another way how you can visit your profile. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner and then tap on See Your Profile. Now you have to scroll down to Friends and then tap on Friends. And here you have to search for that person. If you don't see their name here, that means they have blocked you, or maybe they have unfriended you. But to make sure that they have blocked you, you have to go to the home screen again. And then tap on the search icon on top right corner. And you have to search by their name. Now tap on People. And if you don't see their name on the search results, that means that person has blocked you on Facebook. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.